I'm gonna miss you.
I miss you too. This is the. I think this is the longest time. All of us. In all of the times we went somewhere and then we stayed there for like 7 days or sometimes. But this one's 10 times.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Fabis, you will go also? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss you. Mangungulila ako sa iyo. How can I say that?
I don't know.
Mangungulila sa iyo.
I don't know.
Ano? You take care, ah.
Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna miss you.
Remember our chicken? I always eat the chicken, no problem. You always eat the chicken, okay? And the water the chicken, huh? You would like to be happy to come? Oh, what are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do the chicken? Then, how many times are you going to feed the chicken? 2 or 3 times? How many times? 3. How many? Okay, and also put the water, okay? Then, okay? Kiss Gio na, kiss Gio. Bye, Gio. Hug pa, hug pa.
Hug, Gio. Hug.
Tita Flor pa, bye, Tita Flor.
Bye.
Bye.
Now sit there.
I'm sorry, huh?
Lola's playing.
Lolo is there?
No, Lola's not there.
Lola, nasa ano, sa office. Ayun na, sa gilid.
This one.
Gio, you take care, ah. Gio.
Flying kiss na, flying kiss na.
Mainit ulo. Nagising.
Oo, flying kiss na. Ang daming anik-anik. Anim na pala kami ta. Ito, alis ka nila. Kasi lang may solo. Ang tarang tumulong.
Maganda na lang ako.
Nay! Tay, 10 days day off.
Grabe kayo!
Ay, tignan mo yung ngiti niya! 10 days day off! Woo!
Hindi siya mag-aalaga kay Nino.
Ah,
Yeah.
10 days. Pero after 10 days, back mo.
Nay, sabi ko paano niyo yung chicken?
Nico! Plus na lolo na.
Huwag ka magpaitim ha. I know it's that.
Where's Lolo ba? Where's Lolo?
Nagpaalam na si Lola. Nico!
Where's Lolo ba? Where's Lolo?
And mommy, Lola's playing cards.
Excited ka, girl? Say bye-bye to them. Ay, makinuha ka, Emily.
Bye-bye! Muna kami. Pera.
Maniniraan na sila sa ano, Kategram, sa Cebu. Cebu ba?
Tutuloy namin yung mission doon.
Ah,
Check namin yung Talisay.
Talisay.
Oo, kung naka-recover na. Bisitahin ko si tatay. Yung ano, yung ginawa na second floor.
Hmm. Ah,
Sa Cebu.
I said to him,
Ano yan?
where's Lola? And he said, she's late.
Naka all black sila. Di ako sinabihan.
Nagkumain
Hmm.
kami ni ano.
Wala.
Ano kayo Ram? Ano muna kami? Mamimiss namin kayo.
Are we four?
10 years.
Are you four?
Ha?
I'm gonna miss you, Summer.
Okay. Are you four?
Will you miss Tito also?
Yeah.
Mwah.
much.
Very much.
O doon baka nandun si na Lolo sa
You
loob.
check your Lolo inside.
There in the front. Andyan. At pala daw ko lang. Tinda. Oo, lahat. Okay.
Gio, you take care, huh?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye dito.
Mwah.
Bye. Bye, Lolo. See you in 10 days. Bye. Sige. Ano dyan?
Tita Flor, ingat. Ingat. Ingat kayo. Ingat.
What about your stroller? No, you don't need. Halika na. Bye, guys.
Kira, bye-bye.
Oh, ingat, ingat. Yung mga bata, baka magsiswimming doon, ha, Tita Flor. Nico, ha.
Dito, bye-bye na. Dito.
Oh.
Sama, did you get the snacks? Snacks?
Dapat pala yung dalawa sa likod para ano. Gio, Gio.
Bye. Ingat na lang, Kuya Ram.
Kuya Hari, ingat sa pagdadrive, ha. Happy birthday ulit. Birthday niya nung isang araw. Kahapon ba yon?
Ay, nanto ko na. 20, magtitibo na
Ingat,
pala.
ingat. May...
Sige, teka lang, bye-bye. See you in 10 days.
Okay,
Kung ano,
sige.
mag-chat-chat na lang kami doon.
Niisip ko kung may pera kayo eh.
Meron.
Meron kayo? Okay, sige. Ingat, ingat.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Gio!
Bye-bye.
Okay, ingat, ingat.
Okay, okay, Kuya Ram.
Ingat! Ingat kayo. Ang hirap sa paglayo nila sa pag-uwi, no? Kila Tita Flor, no? Airplane.
Airplane, bus, Roro, commute pa.
What? Ano? Did you hug your, cousin?
Nalungkot nga siya eh.
How lungkot do you have now? How sadness do you have? Why you can't see me?
I don't know.
Why you like you're you're like going to cry? Why? Why? Nalungkot.
Nico, Travis, your friend is crying.
It's okay.
Jace is
it's
crying.
okay.
Your friend pala, your cousin pala. It's just only 10 days?
No, it's 10 days. Look, your brother's crying. Your kuya's crying. Oh, come here.
You hug Kuya. Kuya, it's okay.
Oh, you hug kuya. You hug kuya. You hug kuya. You hug. It's just 10 araw lang naman. Nalulungkot to siya kasi araw-araw po yung mga kalaro eh.
Video call, you want? Ay,
Yeah.
kaya alam, may
You
nasignal
will,
sa...
You want, I can, sama you in the mission every day. You will not get, you will not get bored. You're the one to bring or carry the rice or the groceries. Yun o. Baby damulag natin o.
Mana yata sa akin si Ramshan. May luha pa yun. Oh, may luha pa yan.
You will miss them.
Gian, look at your Kuya Jace.
Can I see his face?
He is crying, oh.
Why?
Oh no.
Because your friends, pupunta sa Cebu. Walang, how many days?
I think 10. And look, I got perfect sand craft.
You play there na lang or you play your, you play your games there.
You know what?
It's okay. It's, 10 days is very fast. Na. Message na lang to your, cousins.
Bye, love you, and take care. I'm playing my game. And be safe.
Okay. Hey, play your brother. There. Yes. Oh, so good. May tinapay doon, Mala, yung binili ko. Thank you.
Tinry ko yung ano yun.
Ben, be careful ah. Be careful, don't run.